Hey there, it's Zach. Today we're going to talk about downloading Git Bash for Windows. One of the issues that people run into when switching from a Unix-based system such as Linux or Mac to Windows is the lack of the similar command line. So today we're going to download Git and the Bash package, which in turn will allow a subsystem in which you can use similar commands. So to start, if you go to Google and look up Git Bash, the second option here, the one with the trailing win, W-I-N, click that and it will auto download. When it is finished, we're going to open it up. So we're going to go through the installation. You do not need to use a true type font in all console windows, but I do prefer that. Then next, this is where you're going to pick whatever editor you prefer. I like Visual Studio Code because I believe it's the best with the most helpful packages. Then I'm going to use Git from Git Bash only. I have no interest in having command prompt and optional tools. I'm using OpenSSL library, and I'm using a checkout Windows style, as well as the min_tty. So some people can enable Git Credential Manager, but I like setting up my SSH keys individually. So I do enable file system caching, and we're going to install. When this is done, I'm going to open it up and give a couple examples. That way you could see in a similar manner how this is set up to kind of replicate a subsystem in which you can use similar commands as the Unix command line. So with this, we can do things such as cd tilde to go home. From here, I can go to a folder I have called developer, do ls. Some things you'll find do not work, such as man, looking up the manual. But for the most part, you can type help and see that a large majority will exist to include the ability to use Node Package Manager as well as other options. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks.